Okay, so good evening, everyone. Yesterday we started with mitosis, that is one of the type of cell division which takes place in your body, and we'll have a quick revision and then we'll continue. Yeah, okay. So okay, take care. Yeah, so I'll ask you questions and you people answer to me. Okay. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna revise everything. Don't worry. So quickly tell me which are the two types of cell division. Just be a little fast today. Mitosis and which are the two types? Okay, mitosis and meiosis. Correct? Okay. Tell me, mitosis occurs where? Yeah, Ghatkopar Shubham, you're correct. It occurs in somatic cells and stem cells. Okay, what are somatic cells? Quickly. What are somatic cells? Yes, Takshila Shivani, you're correct. All cells in the body are the somatic cells. Okay, so now tell me, mitosis occurs in how many steps? Mitosis. I'm asking mitosis. I'm asking mitosis occurs in how many steps? It is 2 steps. Which are the 2 steps? Very good. Saidam Cheryl, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Okay. What is karyokinesis? Quickly. What is karyokinesis? Karyokinesis is nuclear division and cytokinesis is cytoplasmic division. Okay. Acha, tell me how many chromosomes do you have? How many chromosomes do you have? Takshila Preet, correct. You have 46 chromosomes. Now tell me, माइटोसिस में सबसे पहले 46 क्रोमोसोम्स का क्या होता है? Duplication होके they turn to 92. Very good. After duplication, after they've turned to 92, what happens? They divide. Very good. They divide and they become 46, 46. Correct, correct. They'll become 46 each. So now tell me, mitosis में जब सेल डिवीजन होता है तो डिवीजन होने के बाद तुम्हारे सेल में कितने क्रोमोसोम्स होंगे? Once the division is done, how many chromosomes will be there in your cell? People, please think and answer. 46 chromosomes will be there. Okay, you will have 46 chromosomes in your cell. Okay. Acha, tell me when I say 2n, 2n का मतलब होता है diploid. Very good, Devi Dayal Vedant. 2n means diploid, that is 46. And when I say n is what? Haploid. I guess someone was asking yesterday what is Lloyd, right? Lloyd is the number of chromosome. Lloyd means number of chromosome. When I say diploid, that means it's 2n in pair, and haploid, half. So ploidy means number of chromosome. What about sex chromosome? Don't worry, we'll study about that as well. For now, pay attention to your mitosis. DN Nagar Kef, okay? So, now, as I told you, you have 46 chromosomes and the 46 chromosome will duplicate and give you 92. 92 will divide to give you 46, 46. Now tell me, mitosis में सबसे पहले karyokinesis होता है, nuclear division. Karyokinesis occurs in how many steps? Karyokinesis occurs in 4 steps. Very good. That is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Okay. Quickly tell me what happens in prophase. What happens in prophase? Very good, Ghatkopar Grishma. There is condensation. That is your thin thread like chromosome will condense and they'll appear short and thick chromosomes. What is the second thing? What's the second thing that happens? They appear with their sister chromatids. Correct. What is the third thing that happens? Very good, Takshila Shrushti. The centriole will duplicate. Okay, the centriole will duplicate and start moving to the opposite poles of the cell. Correct? And what else? Nuclear membrane. Yeah, Saidam Cheryl, correct. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus will start to disappear. This will happen in your prophase. Now we move down to metaphase. What happens in metaphase? Condensation completes. Ghatkopar, Atharva, correct. Saidam, Madonka, yeah. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus will completely disappear and it will be completely visible with their sister chromatid. Correct? What happens next in metaphase? Parallel to each other nahi hote. The chromosomes will arrange parallel on the equatorial plane in the cell. 46 डिवाइड नहीं होता, 46 92 होता है, 92 डिवाइड होता है इनटू 46 46. किसी ने तो पूछा था, प्लीज गेट सम क्लैरिटी. 46 डिवाइड नहीं होता. यस तक्षशिला, क्या चाहिए तक्षशिला प्रीत, व्हाट डू यू वांट? You said ma'am. Do you have anything to ask? Okay. Yeah. So all your chromosomes will appear parallel on the equatorial plane of the cell. Spindle fibers are formed between the centromere and the centriole. Okay, spindle fibers are made up of special type of flexible proteins. So I hope everyone is very much clear. Vapas. Yeah, Takshil, Preet, we'll fight later, okay? So now we'll have a quick revision, okay? So everyone's eyes on the screen. What are sister chromatids? Sister chromatids are आपका जो क्रोमोसोम होता है उसका जब ड्यूप्लीकेशन होता है तो उसको जो उसकी बहन मिलती है that is sister chromatid. आप स्क्रीन पे ध्यान दो, मैं एक बार बता देती हूँ. So just a minute. Yeah. So this is your chromosome, correct? क्रोमोसोम ये होते हैं, ये 46 क्रोमोसोम होते हैं. ओके, सो जब वो ड्यूप्लीकेट होते हैं, या शर्मन घाटकोपर, व्हाट डू यू वांट? सो these 46 chromosome, when they duplicate, when they get the other pair, if you can see on the screen, so when they get the other pair, that is the sister chromatid, and that's how they become 92. Yes, it's drawn by me, Kejal Patel. Okay, Preet. So that's your chromosome. They get a pair, and that's how you get your sister chromatid. And I hope this is clear. So we'll quickly continue because we need to finish mitosis today. So I want everyone's eyes on the screen, everyone paying attention. So mitosis is completed. ये मैं फटाफट run कर रही हूँ because ये revision है. Karyokinesis, that is nuclear division, and cytokinesis, that is cytoplasmic division. Karyokinesis is completed through 4 steps: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Okay, what happens in the prophase? Condensation of basically thin thread-like chromosome starts. Okay, so yeah. In prophase, okay, people, please stop putting messages in the chat box and pay attention on the screen. In prophase, condensation of basically thin thread-like chromosome starts, and they condense and they become short and thick, and they will appear with their sister chromatid. Whoever doesn't know sister chromatid, यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे, just a minute, I'll switch on the laser. Yeah, यहाँ पे ये अकेला था, यहाँ पे उसको उसकी बहन मिल गई. That's why they appear with their sister chromatid. Next is centriole duplicates and starts moving to the opposite poles of the cell. Then the third thing, that is nuclear membrane and nucleolus begin to disappear. And that was your prophase. Now you come in metaphase. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus completely disappears. Chromosome complete their condensation and become clearly visible with their sister chromatids. Next is all chromosomes are arranged parallel to the equatorial plane of the cell. Okay. Next, there will be formation of spindle fibers. These are flexible protein fibers. Flexible hote hai, protein ke bane hote hai, fiber, because they are thread-like structures. Okay. Sorry. And the fibers will be formed from the centriole to the centromere of the chromosome. I hope this is clear. And we are done with metaphase. If you have anything with prophase, metaphase, fatak se pooch lo, or else I will continue. Okay. So I don't think there are any doubts. I'll continue. And we are in the anaphase now. Okay, we are done with prophase and metaphase. Now you move to anaphase. Very important thing in the anaphase is the centromere divides. Pay attention very clearly. आप देख रहे हो. Please screen पे ध्यान दो and please put your focus your eyes on the laser I'm pointing. Okay, so we are at the chromosome. Chromosome has centromere. ये तुम्हारे 92 क्रोमोसोम है. 92 क्रोमोसोम को डिवाइड करके मुझे 46 बनाना है. Okay, so the centromere divides. See that the centromere divides. Can you see that on the screen? The centromere divides. Thereby, sister chromatids of each chromosome separate and they're pulled apart in opposite directions with the help of spindle fibers. So now your 92 chromosome, they will undergo a breakup and they will split and they will move on in their lives. Okay. So ऐसे breakup होता है and 46 will go to one pole, other 46 will go to the other pole. Can you see that? So that's how the sister chromatids will separate from each other. And they will start moving to the opposite poles. Okay. I hope everyone is very much clear. We are on anaphase. Anaphase में सबसे पहले क्या हुआ तो तुम्हारे centromere split हुआ. Okay. And they started, the chromosomes started moving to the opposite poles. Okay. So let's stick to your anaphase. Once again, I'll quickly, yeah. So separated sister chromatids are called as daughter chromosomes. Okay. ये जो तुम्हारे chromatids separate हुए हैं, इनको मैं बोलूंगी daughter chromosomes. So this is my 46 chromosome. This is my other 46 chromosome. Each set of chromosome reach at the two opposite poles of the cell. So आपको वापस याद दिलाती हूँ, we are in anaphase. Anaphase में सबसे पहले the centromere will split. Centromere will split and the sister chromatids will get separated and they will be pulled with the help of spindle fibers. Okay, and they will be pulled on the opposite poles, and that is how you will get daughter chromosomes. So each set of these daughter chromosomes being pulled, the daughter chromosomes which are pulled, they appear like bunch of bananas. Okay, the appeared chromosome, the pulled apart chromosome will look like the bunch of bananas. I hope we are clear with this. And that was your anaphase. Okay. Once again, anaphase में your centromere splits and your chromosomes are pulled apart and the sister chromatids will go to the opposite poles of the cell and they will be called as daughter chromosomes, and the pulled chromatids, they appear like bunch of bananas. That was your anaphase. And finally, we move down to telophase. Okay. Everyone with me on the screen. The chromosomes which have reached the opposite poles of the cell. अब ये क्रोमोसोम जो opposite poles पे पहुंच गए हैं, अब तो डिवीजन हो गया, तो अब ये क्रोमोसोम की मुझे जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है. So now what happens is they start to decondense. सबसे पहले प्रोफेज में वो कंडेंस हुए थे, अभी टेलोफेज में ये डीकंडेंस होंगे. Okay, they will decondense and they will appear as thin network of chromosomes. See, वापस तुम्हारा मैगी नूडल्स अपीयर हो गया है. So now they have decondensed. पहले वो short and thick थे, अभी they have decondensed to give you network of chromatin fibers. Okay, this is happening in the telophase, due to which they again become thin thread-like and invisible. I hope everyone is with me. Okay. So, decondense. Okay. Decondense का मतलब है, condensation मतलब क्या? Short and thick. Condense हो जाना. Decondense मतलब वो वापस अभी thin network की तरफ फैल रहा है. Simple example देती हूँ. फिरकी का मांझा. ओके फिरकी का मांझा जब मैं पतंग उड़ा रही थी तो वो कैसे डीकंडेंस हो गया था बिकॉज इट वॉज आउट ऑफ द फिरकी. बट नाउ व्हेन आई एम डन विथ माई काइट फ्लाइंग मैं वापस उस मांझे को फिरकी पे कॉइल कर देती हूँ. ठीक है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कंडेंसिंग. समझ में आया. डीकंडेंस इज ये वापस फैल गया. थिन थ्रेड लाइक नेटवर्क. ओके okay. Someone has a doubt over here that when they divide, does the number of chromosome be 23 or 46? बेटा याद करो हमने सबसे पहले 46 लिया था. 46 को मैंने डुप्लीकेट करके 92 बनाया था. 46 डुप्लीकेट होके 92 मिला था एंड 92 वाज डिवाइडेड इनटू 46. तो हम 23 पे नहीं जा रहे. वी आर स्टिकिंग टू 46. आपको मेंटेन करना है 46. ओके. Dear Nagar, Aditya Bhargava, after the breakup, do they suffer from depression? You can go and ask the chromatin fibers. Okay. So, once again, pay attention. You have 46 chromosomes. Decondense is आपके chromosome decondense हो रहे हैं. They are again turning into thin network of thread. Okay. It will not be okay. Pay attention. Pay attention to the artistic skills I have over here. Instead of short thick chromosome like this is condensed form. Okay, coiled form. अभी ये वापस ऐसा फैल रहा है. This is decondensation. समझा. This is condensed form. This is decondensation. This is decondensation. I hope this is clear. टेलीफोन का रिसीवर जब फोन उठाते हो तो वो फैल जाता है. That is decondensation. जब फोन रखते हो तो वो ऐसा कॉइल हो जाता है. That is condensation. Okay. Once again, we are in telophase. Just a minute. Let me just erase things out. Yeah. So we are in telophase. The first thing that happens in telophase, if they will not break up, then they will not get separated. और तुम्हें दो daughter chromosome नहीं मिलेंगे. If you have any doubts at the end of the lecture, I'm not going to check the chat box now. We are in the telophase now. The first thing that happened in telophase was the chromosomes which have reached the opposite poles of the cell, they start to decondense. Okay. They will decondense, due to which they again become thin, thread-like and invisible. Now, nuclear membrane is formed around each set of chromosome. जो तुम्हारा न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन एंड न्यूक्लियोलस प्रोफेस में डिसअपियर हो गया था अभी वापस अपीयर करेगा. बिकॉज कैसे. अभी डॉटर क्रोमोसोम को न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन चाहिए. अंडरस्टैंड. वी आर गोइंग टूवर्ड्स द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ टू सेल्स. ओके. सो न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन एंड न्यूक्लियोलस, दे विल बोथ बिगिन टू अपीयर. Thus, you will have two daughter nuclei. Sorry, I hope this is clear to you. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus will begin to appear and you will have two daughter nuclei. Okay? So, तुम्हारे पास दो daughter nuclei है. इसके पहले तुम्हारे पास दो daughter chromosomes थे. Pay attention. In anaphase, you had two daughter chromosomes. Now you have two daughter nuclei. Okay. स्पिंडल फाइबर्स कंप्लीटली डिसअपियर. अभी मुझे स्पिंडल फाइबर की जरूरत नहीं है तो स्पिंडल फाइबर विल कंप्लीटली डिसअपियर. ठीक है. The spindle fibers will disappear and in this way karyokinesis completes and cytokinesis begins. Okay, that is how you got your two daughter nuclei. I hope everyone is very much clear with this. We are in the telophase. In telophase, what we saw was your condensed chromosome, they started to decondense. They turned into thin network of chromatin fibers which were invisible. Then nuclear membrane and nucleolus began to appear. उसके बाद तुम्हारे पास दो डॉटर न्यूक्लियाई मिल गए तुम्हें. Okay, and you are done with your karyokinesis and we will move to cytokinesis. So everyone on cytokinesis. Now, in cytokinesis, very simple, the thing happens is your cytoplasm divides. Okay. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, someone just asked, does metaphase have anything related to metacentric chromosomes and telophase have anything with telocentric chromosome? Actually not, because अपने body में तो telocentric chromosomes होते भी नहीं है. Humans don't have telocentric chromosome. Telocentric chromosomes are present in rats. So it is not associated with that. Okay. They are properly divided. Don't worry about it. Your cell makes sure that all the division takes place properly. Don't worry. Once I'm done with cytokinases, I will revise the entire mitosis. Okay. So right now, you need to pay attention on your screen on cytokinases. Okay. In this process, a notch is formed at the equatorial plane of the cell, which deepens gradually, and thereby two new cells are formed. Okay, now pay attention on the screen, everyone. We are studying cytokinases, that is the division of cytoplasm. हमारा न्यूक्लियस डिवाइड होके हमें दो डॉटर न्यूक्लियाई मिल गए हैं. अभी हमें साइटोप्लाज्म को डिवाइड करना है सो दैट तुम्हें दो सेल मिले. तो सबसे पहले इफ यू ऑब्जर्व, ये तुम्हारा साइटोप्लाज्म था और ये तुम्हारे दो डॉटर न्यूक्लियाई है. अ नॉच इज फॉर्म. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ नॉच. अ नॉच, अ ग्रूव, अ फरो. आपको जो बोलना है आप बोल सकते हो. आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक नॉच बोलती है तो आप नॉच बोलोगे. अ नॉच इज फॉर्म्ड एंड देन ग्रेजुअली, धीरे धीरे करके वो नॉच डीपन होगा. इट विल डीप, इट विल बिकम डीप. ओके, the notch will become deep, and that is how you will get your cytoplasm will divide and you will get two daughter cells. Okay, so once again, your cytoplasm will get a notch and gradually it will deepen. See that, gradually deepens and you got two daughter cells. Once again, I'm repeating, your cytoplasm will develop a notch and the notch will gradually deepen and you will have two daughter cells. I hope this is very much clear to you. Okay, so this is what happens inside an animal cell. Okay, I want everyone to be focusing on the left side of the screen. This is what happens in your body. But now if we are observing in a plant's body, okay, plant के body में instead of a notch, प्लांट के बॉडी में ऐसा नॉच नहीं बनेगा. ठीक है, ध्यान दीजिए. observe this diagram on the left side, on the right side of your screen. Observe that diagram. If this is a plant cell, सबसे पहले तुम्हारा न्यूक्लियस डिवाइड हो गया है. ओके, अब प्लांट सेल में नॉच नहीं बनेगा. नॉच नहीं बनेगा, rather it will develop a cell plate जो सेंटर में बनती है. ओके, yeah, just pay attention. It will develop a cell plate. यहाँ पे ना एक cell plate बनेगी and the cell plate will become deep and you will get two daughter cells. Okay, so in the plant cell you will not have a notch. यहाँ पे ऐसा notch नहीं बनेगा, but एक cell plate बनेगा. Okay, cell plate is nothing but a vertical line. Okay, so a cell plate will be formed and you will get two daughter cells. समझा? So instead of a notch, a cell plate is formed exactly along the midline of the cell, and thus cytokinases is completed in the plant cell. Once again, pay attention. This was your plant cell. They did not develop a notch, rather they had a cell plate, and that's how they got two daughter cells. And that's how cytokinases is completed. Now, this was cytokinases, and that is how you got two daughter cells. I hope there are no doubts. Okay, wait. Mitosis is essential for the growth of the body. अब mitosis इतना important क्यों है? क्योंकि ये तुम्हारा body का जो भी growth होता है, आपका height बढ़ रहा है, आप body grow हो रहा है, आपका hair cells grow हो रहा है, ये जो भी आपके body में growth हो रहा है, it is all because of mitosis. So mitosis is very much important for the growth of the body. Besides, it is necessary for restoration of emaciated body. रिस्टोरेशन ऑफ इमैसिएटेड बॉडी का मतलब है अगर आप एकदम स्किनी हो गए हो, अगर आपने बॉडी का सारा वेट लॉस एंड मसल लॉस हो गया है, this is called as an emaciated body where you become extremely thin. Okay, it's called emaciated. So if you want to develop your body, if you want to again go back to a normal muscular body, then the development happens because of mitosis. Okay, so mitosis is very important for the growth, for wound healing. अगर आपको कोई वूंड हुआ है तो वो जो हील होता है, तो ये हीलिंग में कौन काम आता है, तो माइटोसिस. ठीक है, सी यहाँ पे भी सेल डिवीजन चाहिए था, यहाँ पे भी सेल डिवीजन चाहिए था, एंड ऑल्सो फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ योर ब्लड सेल्स. तुम्हारा जो आरबीसीज है वो सब बनाने के लिए भी आपको माइटोसिस चाहिए. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई माइटोसिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, now before starting meiosis, I want that आपको अगर कोई भी डाउट है माइटोसिस को लेके, you can ask me now. Yeah, and we'll have a quick revision before that, so don't worry. Difference between mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis occurs in somatic cells and meiosis occurs in reproductive cells. What's a notch? अगर ऐसा सेल है और अगर उसमें एक ऐसा ग्रूव बनता है, तो इस ग्रूव को बोलते हैं, ये वाले ग्रूव को नॉच. ओके, यस, द टू डॉटर सेल्स आर एग्जैक्टली आइडेंटिकल इन माइटोसिस. यस, डोंट वरी, आई विल एक्सप्लेन द एंटायर प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज, टेलोफेज. हम वापस पूरा देखेंगे एक बार. अच्छा ठीक है, एक काम करते हैं, rather than me asking you questions and rather than you putting doubt, I'll just repeat everything once again. Notch like in iPhone. I don't have an iPhone. I'm Garib, so I don't know about the notch in the iPhone. Okay, so please stop putting messages in the chat box and we'll have a quick revision. Difference between cytoplasm and stem cell. साइटोप्लाज्म तो तुम्हारे सेल में जो होता है इसको साइटोप्लाज्म बोलते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड साइटोप्लाज्म. प्लीज ऑब्जर्व माय आर्ट ऑन द स्क्रीन. दिस इज साइटोप्लाज्म. एंड स्टेम सेल मतलब तो तुम्हारे बॉडी के जो सर्टेन सेल्स है, जैसे कि तुम्हारा बोन मैरो, तुम्हारा एम्ब्रियोनिक सेल, उनको स्टेम सेल बोला जाता है. इज देयर एनी लिमिटेशन ऑफ दिस सेल? लिमिटेशन एज इन व्हाट लिमिटेशन? जेबी नगर हर्ष, what limitation are we discussing? Meiosis will only occur in reproductive cells, and why it only occurs in reproductive cells I will let you know in the further slides. Okay, what is meant by deepen? अच्छा, ये देखो, अभी ये तुम्हारा नॉच है, ठीक है, अभी नॉच और डीप होते जाएगा. So this is called deepening. Okay, ये देखो, पहले इतना ही था नॉच, अभी डीप हो गया है, फाइनली 2 सेल मिल गया. So that is deepening. Yeah, I'm showing cytokinesis. Don't worry. Okay. Stop putting messages in the chat box, and we'll go to the yeah. Just a minute. Yeah. So we are doing mitosis. Mitosis occurs in 2 stages, that is karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis is division of nucleus. Cytokinesis is division of cytoplasm. Okay. Sorry. Karyokinesis occurs in 4 phases, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. सबसे पहले prophase. Prophase में condensation of basically thin thread-like chromosomes starts. They condense and they become short and thick, and they will appear with their sister chromatid. That is the first thing that happens in prophase. Then centriole will duplicate, start moving to the opposite poles of the cell. Then nuclear membrane and nucleolus will begin to disappear. Okay. Then you go to metaphase. Prophase में क्या क्या हुआ? तुम्हारा condensation of the chromatin fibers, centriole duplication, and moving to the opposite poles of the cell, and nuclear membrane and nucleolus began to disappear. Okay, now metaphase. Metaphase में सबसे पहले nuclear membrane and nucleolus will completely disappear. Okay, उसके बाद chromosome complete their condensation and become clearly visible with their sister chromatids. Then they will all arrange parallel to the equatorial plane of the cell. All the chromosomes will be arranged parallel to the equatorial plane of the cell. Then the next thing is they will form spindle fibers. The spindle fibers are formed from the centriole to the centromere of the chromosome. Spindle fibers are flexible protein fibers. Okay, that is what happens in metaphase. Next is anaphase. Pay attention. Anaphase में सबसे पहले the centromere divides. सेंट्रोमियर डिवाइड होगा तो ही तुम्हारा क्रोमोसोम डिवाइड होगा, तो ही तुम्हारा क्रोमोसोम जो 92 बना था दैट विल बी डिवाइडेड इनटू 46 46. ओके, सो द सेंट्रोमियर डिवाइड्स, सी दैट, thereby sister chromatids of each chromosome separate. अभी वो बहनें अलग हो जाएगी. समझ में आया? That's how they will get separated. So the sister chromatids separated and they will be pulled to the opposite poles of the cell. Who will pull them? Spindle fibers. See that. You are yet in the anaphase. Separated sister chromatids are called as daughter chromosomes. They are called as daughter chromosomes. Each set of chromosome reach at two opposite poles of the cell. एक सेट ये पोल पे आएगा, दूसरा सेट ये पोल पे आएगा. और सेट मतलब कितना? 46. 46 मतलब कितना? 2n. 2n मतलब क्या? डिप्लॉयड. ओके, I hope this is clear. So that is how you will have daughter chromosomes at the opposite poles of the cell. Chromosome being pulled appear like bunch of bananas. Chromosome being pulled appear like bunch of bananas. Okay. Now finally you move down to telophase. Once again I'll repeat, हम anaphase में थे. Anaphase में सबसे पहले centromere split हुआ. Centromere split होने के बाद the set of chromosomes, the sister chromatids were pulled apart. Okay. One set will be pulled to the one pole, other set will be pulled to the opposite pole. And the pulled sister chromatids appear like bunch of bananas. That is your anaphase. Finally, you go down to telophase. Okay, what happens in telophase? The chromosomes which have reached the opposite poles of the cell, now they will start the decondensation. Sorry, they'll start to decondense. Okay, due to which they again become thread-like thin and invisible. Decondense hoga, they will appear thread-like thin and they will become invisible. Now what will start forming? Nuclear membrane and nucleolus will begin to appear. And that's how you will have two daughter nuclei. Anaphase में तुम्हारे पास daughter chromosome थे, telophase में तुम्हारे पास daughter nuclei है. Okay? That is how you will have two daughter nuclei. Nucleolus will also reappear in each nucleus. Okay. Spindle fibers will completely disappear क्योंकि अभी spindle fiber की जरूरत नहीं है. In this way, karyokinesis completes and cytokinesis begins. Nucleus divide हो गया तो karyokinesis खत्म. अभी क्या शुरू करेंगे? Cytokinesis. Cytokinesis मतलब क्या? Division of cytoplasm. In this process, what happens is there will be a notch. This is a notch. Whoever had a doubt, this is a notch. Okay, this is the notch. The notch will start forming on the cytoplasm and gradually मतलब slowly, eventually, धीरे धीरे notch deep होगा and ऐसा दो cell divide हो जाएगा and you will get two daughter cells. Okay, see that. Divide हो गया and you got two daughter cells. Now this happens in animal cells, but if I talk about plant cells, यहाँ पे देखना अभी plant cells में क्या होता है. There will be a cell plate which will be formed. एक ऐसा cell plate बनेगा. Okay, and that's how there will be division and there will be two daughter cells. So however in case of plant cells, instead of the notch नहीं है, क्या है? Cell plate exactly along the midline. Okay, exactly along the midline there will be a cell plate, and that is how the cytoplasm will divide and you will get two daughter cells in the plant. This is what happens in the plant and this is what happens in the animals. I hope this is very much clear, and that's how you got two daughter cells. Okay, so you are done with your daughter cells. You are done with your mitosis. Now, if you have any doubts, you can ask in the chat box. Meaning of 2N, yes, I will tell you. Vikroli Devang, does mitosis goes oxidation due to enzyme? मेरे को नहीं समझा आपने क्या पूछा. Okay. Someone asked what is 2N? जब क्रोमोसोम तुम्हारे पैर में होते हैं उसको बोलते हैं 2N, और तुम्हारे बॉडी में 2N मतलब 46 क्रोमोसोम. ओके, N मतलब 23. समझा? 23 इंटू 2 मिला कितना? 46. मैथ्स. ओके, आई होप यू आर क्लियर व्हाट इज 2N. JB Nagar, Harsh Panchal, when will the lecture end? Okay. Let's show this slide also. Which slide you want to see? How does mitosis help in healing wound? How does mitosis help in healing wound? The thing is, जब भी आपको कोई भी wound आता है तो तुम्हारे cells divide होंगे ना उसको heal करने के लिए. तो mitosis नहीं होगा तो cell divide कैसे होगा? और cell divide नहीं होगा तो तुम कैसे heal होगे? How much time mitosis take? It depends on each and every cell in your body. Right now also your cells are dividing. Okay. No, we don't write N2, we write 2N. Yes, karyokinesis is same in, yes, I'll show you the slide of importance of mitosis, and karyokinesis is same in plants and animals. Okay. Only cytokinesis is a little different, और little different में क्या है कि वो सेल प्लेट बनती है प्लांट में. ओके, किसी ने पूछा था कुछ स्टेम सेल को लेके. एग्जांपल्स ऑफ स्टेम सेल्स, आपका बोन मैरो जो रहता है दैट इज स्टेम सेल्स, बोन मैरो. एंड स्टेम सेल्स इज अ लॉन्ग टॉपिक which will be discussed in the chapter cell biology. Is there a no beta? There is no relation between glycolysis and mitosis. Glycolysis is oxidation of food and mitosis is cell division. And by the way, spindle fiber gives any specific characteristic? अगर spindle fiber नहीं होगा तो फिर तुम्हारा sister chromatid pull कैसे होगा? ठीक है, 2N is diploid, correct. बोन मैरो, बोन के अंदर के सेल्स, ये जो तुम्हारा बोन होता है ना, दिस इज योर बोन, बोन के अंदर सेल्स होते हैं, इसको बोलते हैं बोन मैरो. Does cell division takes place continuously? Yes, cell division takes place continuously. जब जरूरत होगी तब नहीं होगा, जब जरूरत होगी तब cell division होगा. Yeah, I'm showing the haploid means N. N का मतलब है haploid. N मतलब half cells ना, half number of cells. So that is haploid. 2N मतलब diploid. If the cell will not stop increasing at a particular part, तो फिर तुम्हें cancer हो जाएगा. Yes, in cancer, mitosis is very fast. Okay. Somatic cells are also called as body cells. Yes, you can call them as body cells. Chromatids mean, अरे बेटा ये तुम्हारा क्रोमोसोम, उसकी जो बहन आई ना उसको क्रोमैटिड बोलते हैं, सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड. You can't prevent cancer. Doubt solving consumes a lot of time, but बेटा आपको डाउट होंगे तो टाइम तो लगेगा ना. The lesson is not over. We are yet to do meiosis. And okay, anyone अभी मैं doubt solving कर रही हूँ. So anyone who wants to leave the lecture, you can. And if anyone wants to ask doubts, you can. Homework, I'll send it on WhatsApp. डिफरेंस बिटवीन क्रोमैटिड एंड सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड. अच्छा सुनो, अभी ध्यान दो स्क्रीन पे. अब ये तुम्हारा क्रोमोसोम है, ठीक है. अब क्रोमोसोम, वेयर डज द बोन, वेट, नाउ डोंट आस्क एनीथिंग व्हेन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. दिस इज योर क्रोमोसोम, करेक्ट, ठीक है. तो ये उसके क्रोमैटिड्स हो गए, उसके जो आर्म्स होते हैं. अब ये जो दूसरा आया इसको बोलेंगे सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड, ठीक है. So basically these are also, this can also be called as chromatids. ठीक है. Where does the bone marrow located? अरे bone marrow is inside the bone, तो जहां पे भी bone होगा वहां पे bone marrow होगा. Does the divided cell replace? Yes, yes, yes. The new cells replace the old cells. Okay. If mitosis is low, then cancer will go. Okay, there are two types of cancer. There is malignant and benign cancer. So the one which is cancerous, okay, basically उसको ट्यूमर बोलते हैं. जब तुम्हारे cells uncontrollably divide होते हैं तो उसको ट्यूमर बोला जाता है. And there is cancerous tumor and there is non-cancerous tumor. Okay. Homework was given in the last lecture, but I'll make sure कि आज आपको वापस मिल जाए. Mitosis also may occurs only in animals and plants. Mitosis will occur in every living organism. The cells which give us height grow over an year. Your cells which give you height grow over for a particular age in your life. After a particular age, your height will not grow. Show the importance of mitosis. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so for emaciated body, for healing and for blood cells. Yes, Vile Parle Mayank, kya chahiye? Yeah, Avnish, you can, thank you. I mean, is cancer, yes, cancer is curable, but yeah, it is curable. There are a lot of people who have recovered from cancer. What if body is unable to perform mitosis? तो आपका body grow नहीं करेगा, आपका cells develop नहीं होगा, growth नहीं होगा. Okay, if you have anything else you can ask, or else I can end the lecture. Okay, okay. What is cell plate? Cell plate is nothing but it's just a vertical line. Okay, it's just a vertical line. Basically तुम्हारा animal cell जो होता है ना, वो notch से divide होता है cytoplasm, और plant cell center से divide होता है. So that is why हम उसको cell plate बोलते हैं, because it's a vertical line which occurs first instead of a notch. What are fat soluble vitamins? The vitamins which can dissolve in the fat. Ma'am, the bigger animal, the more chances of it getting cancer. Then why whales are immune against cancer? What is the logic that bigger the animal, chances are more? If we are able to find the way to stop mitosis in a particular part, sometime we can cure. Yes, but we need to find a way for that. Mitosis is harmful to us or not? Mitosis is not harmful to you, but if it is uncontrollable, it will be harmful. What is, if mitosis does not happen, will we have overbleeding? Overbleeding जैसा कुछ होता नहीं है. तुम्हें कभी भी कुछ भी होता है तो तुम्हारा ब्लड क्लॉट होके तुम्हारा ब्लीडिंग रुक जाता है. Can we produce cell which is related to height after 21? What will you do? No, that's not possible. How to control? There's not possible to control mitosis. अगर आपके बॉडी में कैंसर होता भी है तो आपको ट्यूमर को कट करके रिमूव करना है. You can't control mitosis. Why can't mitosis take place with nucleus visible? क्योंकि न्यूक्लियस का तभी काम नहीं है ना, इसीलिए वो विजिबल नहीं होता. Is cancer curable? See, it totally depends what cancer you have, what stage cancer you have, and how much is your body responding to the therapy and the medicines. So I can't, declare over here कि particular cancer can be cured and particular cannot. Yes, you can leave. What are melanin and keratin? Those are the proteins which your body develop for your skin and hair. Yes, it is the same. VK, yeah, cytokinesis को छोड़ के plant cell में exactly same to same way में cell division होता है. Okay, so I am assuming that nuclear membrane disappears, or it disappears and then it appears again. They are actin and myosin are the flexible proteins in your body. Maximum fitness can increase mitosis. You need to, I mean, it will be a controlled mitosis. तुम्हारे body में normally भी mitosis हो ही रहा है. Only cancer is a form where the mitosis is uncontrollable. What is trypsin? Trypsin also is a protein. It's an enzyme which is used for digestion of food. Okay, so I'm assuming that we are through with the lecture today and we are done with mitosis. In the next lecture, we'll start with meiosis. So better revise mitosis and come because I will be asking you questions. Okay, and homework will be sent to you on your WhatsApp in some time. Are the other parts of the cells produced again after mitosis? I didn't understand the question. VK Shreya. You can ask the question again. I mean, I didn't. Other parts of the cell produced again. आपका बॉडी में ना जहां पे भी ग्रोथ हो सकता है वहां पे माइटोसिस होगा. अगर तुम्हारे ब्रेन सेल की बात करो तो वंस द ब्रेन सेल्स डाई वहां पे माइटोसिस नहीं हो सकता. सो माइटोसिस विल ओनली टेक प्लेस इन दो सेल्स जहां पे तुम वापस सेल्स डिवाइड कर सकते हो. Not in those part like your brain and nerve cells. वहां पे एक बार the cell death happens, no cells are regenerated. Yes, every cell organelle is generated. No, can you survive without mitochondria or lysosome? No. एक बार cell division खत्म हो गया उसके बाद सारे cell organelles का synthesis होगा. Can mitosis is die? Chembur Sharon, I did not understand the question. Okay. Okay, so we are ending the lecture. Chalo, bye bye.